Now let's write a program to check a number is a strong number or not. Okay, how come I can know whether a number is a strong number or not? Logic is pretty simple. So I'll take a value called 145. I have to find sum of the factorial of the digits. So which is 1 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 5 factorial. I have to find the factorial value for all the digits and I have to sum it. If the sum value is equal to the input value, I can say that it's a strong number, else it is not a strong number. 1 factorial value is 1, 4 factorial is 24, 5 factorial is 120, which is equal to 145. So sum value and the input value both are same. I can say that it is a strong number, else it is not a strong number. Now let's go for the program. Hash include stdio.h main function. I'll declare a variable n to get the input value from the user. %d, comma, ampersand n. Okay. So here I have to take a while loop. I'll give a condition as n not equal to 0 because until the input value n becomes 0, I have to repeat the loop. Okay. So let's assume the input value to be 145. After the iteration of the while loop, input value becomes 0. So I'll copy the value in one more variable called temp. Okay, temp is also having the value called 145. So check 145 not equal to 0. Yes, condition is true. Now from here I have to extract the last digit. How can I extract the last digit? Int remainder equal to n modulus 10. So which is 145 modulus 10. I'll get the value as 5. So I've got the last digit. After this, what I'm going to do? I have to find the factorial value for the variable remainder. So int fact is equal to 1. So for int I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to remainder I plus plus. So we have discussed the program for factorial, right, in the previous. So fact is equal to fact into I. So 5 factorial value will be 120. Now this 120 should be added in a variable. So sum equal to sum plus fact. So here I'll take one more variable. I'll initialize the value of sum as 0. Sum is equal to 0. Here I'm going to sort the final result. So what is the sum value? 0 plus fact value is 120, which is equal to 120. Now from 145 I have got 5 factorial. I have added with the sum variable. Now we have to remove the digit 5. So n equal to n divided by 10. So 145 divided by 10, the value becomes 14. Go for the next iteration. N value becomes 14. 14 not equal to 0. Yes, condition is true. I'll go here. 14 modulus 10, the remainder value equal to 4. Again, fact value will be 1 because now I am going to find the factorial value for 4. So I should initialize the fact value with 1. That is why I have declared the variable fact and initialize the value inside the while loop. Now I'll find the 4 factorial value. 4 factorial value is 24 I'll get. Now sum equal to sum plus fact. So 120 plus 24, the value will be 144. Now I have to remove the last digit. So 14 divided by 10, the value becomes 1. Then go for next iteration. N value becomes 1. 1 not equal to 0. Yes, condition is true. I'll go here. Remainder equal to n modulus 10. So n value is 1. 1 modulus 10, the value becomes 1. Because when I divide the number by 10, I'll get the remainder value as 1 only. Now I have to find the factorial value for 1. 1 factorial value is 1 only. I have to add it with fact. Sum equal to sum plus fact. 144 plus 1, the value is 145. So n equal to n divided by 10. 1 divided by 10, the quotient value becomes 0. So check the loop. 0 not equal to 0, condition becomes false. I'll come out of the while loop. Fine. Now I have got the sum value. Now the sum value should be compared with the temp value because input value n becomes 0. So I have copied the input value n to one more variable called temp. If both are equal, I'll print yes, saying that it is a strong number. If it is not equal, I'll print it as false. That's all. Return 0. Let me run the code. I'll give input value is 145. Yes, it is a strong number. I'll give one more input value called 123. No, it is not a strong number. That's all.